How can we avoid plastic pollution while reducing food waste? Around 30 million tons of plastic foams are produced annually, for example for mattresses or protective packaging. 1/3 of the food we produce is being wasted.
One example of foam we are working on today is foam used for plant substrate. Often disposable or even environmentally harmful foams are being used today in the vertical farming sector. Thousands of tons of waste are produced there annually, disposing this plant substrate foam. We would like to change that at Groam. At Groam, we are providing sustainable alternatives to today's plastics foams. These are based on biomass agricultural waste streams. We have currently 2 assets, a foaming technology and a material formulation, which is biodegradable. We are processing them together into foam and testing first prototypes with our end users. We're also working on scaling up our technology together with the industry.
We see future market opportunities in protective packaging and fast fashion products such as shoe soles. We are looking for biopolymer expertise and business expertise to kick off our venture.